Arithmetic mean or AM between any two numbers is given by their average. If you have three terms A, capital A, and B in AP, then their arithmetic mean is given as A equals A plus B over 2. In general, if you have two numbers A and B, and in between these two numbers, if we insert n terms, A1, A2, A3, and so on up to AN, such that the resulting sequence is an AP, then A1, A2, A3, and so on up to AN are known as the arithmetic means between A and B. And converse is also true. So if you are given with a sequence A, comma, A1, comma, A2, and so on up to B, and A1, A2, A3, and so on up to AN are AMs, then the sequence will be an AP. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This sequence is an AP. Therefore, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are AMs between 2 and 12. And we can say the opposite as well, because 4, 6, 8, and 10 are AMs. Therefore, this whole sequence is an AP. Going back to inserting n arithmetic means between A and B. So we have A arithmetic mean 1, which is A1, then A2, A3, and so on up to AN, and the last term, which is B. Now here we see that there were two terms A and B, and then we inserted n terms in between them. That means in total we have n plus 2 terms, right? So B is n plus second term, right? So we have B equals A n plus 2, the n plus second term. So the formula for that will be A plus n plus 2 minus 1D, right? And from here we get B equals A plus n plus 1D, or we can also say B minus A over n plus 1 is equal to D. This will help us to find all the terms A1, A2, A3, and so on if required. So we know D, and A1 is placed at second number. That means it's a second term, right? So it will be equal to A plus D. That means A plus B minus A over n plus 1. Similarly, A2 will be equal to A plus 2D. So A plus 2 times B minus A over n plus 1. Same way we can find all the arithmetic means.